As technology continues to advance, many manufacturing facilities are considering automation to enhance efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness. While automation can bring numerous benefits, it is crucial to consider several factors first. Cost-benefit analysis. Consider the upfront investment in equipment, installation, and integration, as well as ongoing maintenance and operational costs. Assess the potential return on investment through increased productivity, reduced labor expenses, improved quality, and decreased cycle time. Process analysis. Identify areas that are repetitive, time-consuming, or prone to human error. Automation is most effective when applied to tasks that require precision, consistency, and high volumes. Scalability and flexibility. Will the automation solution accommodate evolving needs? Assess the modularity and adaptability of the equipment to handle varying product lines, volumes, and customization requirements. Maintenance and support. Automation systems require regular maintenance and technical support. Eclipse has a service team that partners with you to ensure timely support and maintenance. Automation can revolutionize your manufacturing facility, and speaking with an expert like Eclipse Automation is essential before embarking on this transformative journey. For more information, please visit eclipseautomation.com.